In this video you will learn how to use your overdraft money on Lloyds Bank. Check if you have an overdraft. Log into your Lloyds Bank banking app, online banking, or visit the branch to see if you've arranged overdraft on your account. Review your overdraft limit. Check how much overdraft money you are allowed to use before avoiding going over the approved limit. Use your debit card and make a payment. You can use an overdraft for purchases, ATM withdrawals, or bill payments just like normal balance. Monitor your account regularly. Keep an eye on your account using your Lloyds banking app or online banking to track how much overdraft you've used. Be aware of fees and interest. Understand that daily or monthly fees and interest can apply when you use your overdraft on Lloyds Bank. Repay your overdraft quickly. Deposit money into your account as soon as possible to reduce your overdraft balance to avoid any extra charges. Now you know how to use overdraft money on Lloyds Bank. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.